How to add verified badge on Telegram Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be giving you a short breakdown on how you can get a badge on Telegram Premium. So let's just get started with the process. First of all, open up the Telegram application, and if you have not purchased Telegram Premium yet, you can go to the menu in the top left and go to settings. And then once you open up your settings, scroll down from the given options and look out for Telegram Premium options. And there you will be finding all of the subscription available, including the features that will be included once you purchase Telegram Premium. So once you've already purchased Telegram Premium, if you would like to get a profile badge, exclusive badge to your name showing that you subscribe to Telegram Premium, you need to meet certain criteria, including being a large and active official channel, group, or bot, or you will need to link your Telegram channel to verified accounts like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And Telegram Premium itself does not directly grant a verified badge, though it offers additional features and benefits. So you need to link your Telegram channel to get verified to your other accounts, such as TikTok, Instagram. Secure at least 2 new articles from a reputable sources that mentions your entity. And once you've met the criteria, you can apply for verification through the Verify bot, and that is it. So if you'd like to add a verified badge on Telegram Premium, just go ahead and meet these criteria that I just told you, and then you can basically go ahead and easily access those. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.